Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball server error. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball server error, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this window you will enter to 8-ball. Then in this list of app info you will click first stop and you will enter to OK here. Then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi here and you will click to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.